Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to see your Instagram password. There is no way to see the password we have given to our account of Instagram, but we can do it in another way. First of all, open your Gmail app. Then you need to go to your profile icon in the top right corner. Now you can find this Google account option in here. So tap on it. Then you need to scroll right side until you find this security option. Next, scroll down and here you can find this password manager option in here. So tap on it. Then you can scroll down and here you can find the password of any account that has been signed in from your Google account. So find out Instagram and tap on it. Now you need to verify it's you. Then you can see your Instagram password by click on this eye icon. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.